Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Kamna D'Souza, wellness coach and a wellness consultant and India's first Chi Tai Chi yoga trainer. Today I'm going to show you the beginner level of Chi Tai Chi yoga. Before I begin with the level 1, today I'm going to just give you a short introduction about what is Chi Tai Chi yoga. Chi Tai Chi yoga is a mind-body exercise which is based on the principle of ancient martial art and wisdom of Indian Ashtanga yoga. So basically, in this Chi Tai Chi yoga, the chi energy flows in your body. It flows in all the levels of your body. It includes your cells, your nerves, and your chakra point, which helps to keep you mentally, physically, and emotionally strong. And it balanced your emotional being, mental being, social being, spiritual. So let's begin with the set 1. So as I mentioned, Chi Tai Chi yoga based on the chi element that is called as prana shakti in Sanskrit. The chi, the vital life force energy which we cannot see through our naked eyes, but we can feel that energy. For this, we are going to keep our legs little wider just to feel the energy. We are going to take a deep long breath. As you take a deep long breath, you're going to hold your breath. As you hold your breath, slightly your chest will lift up and you're going to push your flap in. Holding your breath, and then gradually you're going to balance on your toes. And then slowly you're going to raise both the hands up. Keep your palms open. Hold your breath initially at the count of 10. As you are done with the count of 10, slowly you're going to exhale it from your mouth and release your muscles. One more set we are going to do. Again, take a deep breath. Inhale your breath. Slightly your chest will lift up. Push your tummy in. Flap in. On your toes, balance yourself and then gradually take your hands up. Slowly take your hands up. Hold your breath. So initially you can hold at the count of 10, then gradually you can increase your set 20 to 30. Hold it there and then exhale it from your mouth. Okay, let's start with the set 2. For this, you're going to keep your legs wider, okay? And then slightly you're going to sit in the squat position. Don't bend too much and just try to keep your back straight and stretch your hands sideways, keeping your palms open. Now in this, as you inhale, you're going to balance on your toes, and as you exhale, again release and keep your flat. Do it at least for 5 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. One more. Breathe in. Inhale it. Balance on your toes. Exhale it from your mouth. So while doing breathe in and breathe out, you're activating that chi energy in your body, and that's flowing in your body. So when you inhale the positive energy, and when you exhale the negative energy. So as I'm going to show you all the beginners level, so focusing on your breathing, let's start with the set 3. Again for this, you're going to keep your legs wider and just raise both the hands up, just parallel to your shoulder, keeping your palms open. Just focusing on your breathing, activating that chi energy in your body which flows in and will really help you to keep you mentally and emotionally strong. So inhale it, turn your body towards your right. Exhale it, turn your body towards your left. Breathe in. Inhale from your nose. Exhale. Exhale from your mouth. Continue doing this for 5 times. Do it very slow. You can feel that vibration. You can feel the heaviness on your palm when you move your hands around. You can feel the chi energy. In this way, you're creating that positive aura within your body, and it's making your aura healthy and positive. So stay tuned with me for more video on Chi Tai Chi Yoga. Thank you.